Hey y'all, it's me, Lynn Daniel, coming to you today from the Buddy Zone. This is my teacher YouTube channel here on YouTube where I share my life as a teacher. How are you today? I hope you're having a good day. And I want to say welcome back to my buddies. Those of you who have subscribed and you come back often and view and comment, welcome back. And those of you who have not subscribed and you're not a buddy, all you have to do to become one is to subscribe. And it's free, doesn't cost you a thing but time. All right, so today is day 19 in my How Many Days in Summer Break 2019 series. And I'm sitting here, it is Saturday morning, it is 10 o'clock exactly a.m. Arizona time, Phoenix time. And tomorrow is Father's Day, and I had a conversation with my sister this morning, my baby sister, you know, and she filled me in on how my mom is doing and things like that. And it just made me really start thinking about my dad, and just, I've been thinking about him anyway because my grandson's dad is interested in starting a ministry, and he's actually started a ministry. And I was saying to him, boy, if my dad was still here, he would mentor you. So, I've been thinking about my dad for a couple of weeks now. But tomorrow's Father's Day, and he's not here, so I'm just going to honor the ones who are here, my brother and my son-in-law. You know, just honor those fathers, those men in your family who are fathers, who are father figures, and they are doing the work of a father, because don't need any explanation. Fathers are wonderful. Fathers, man, I'm grateful I had a father. Okay, all right, that's how I'll say it. I'm grateful I had one. Other than that, I got up early today, got my day started, was able to my car and get it serviced, go to the post office. What else did I do? Laundry, trying to clean out and purge my closet. I threw away a bunch of shoes, flip-flops, and old sandals and stuff. Just a lot. I need to work on my paper. I didn't work yesterday. Even though I got up early and I got a lot done, later in the day I was resting yesterday because, let's see, yesterday was Friday, so Thursday evening I got that flu bug or whatever hit me very hard. So Friday afternoon I rested, slept, drank a lot of ginger ale, water, and ate like crackers and just let my stomach ease down, you know. And then today I feel like 95%. I got up, was able to do a lot. I haven't even eaten yet. I went to QT this morning and I got some white tea. I like that white tea. It's actually black tea, I think, but they call it white tea, and it's peach flavor. I don't know. But anyway, it's delicious. So that's empty. And then, yeah. So anyway, honor your fathers, your father figures, and be blessed. All right, I better go. And thank you all. Hey, if you all didn't watch yesterday's video to the end, you're missing some nuggets. You better go back and watch it to the end so you can get those nuggets. All right. Okay, so you should always watch my videos to the end. And I probably should say that at the beginning, because from here on out, I am going to start leaving nuggets. That would be, I am going to start leaving other links to other teacher YouTubers videos. Those of you who are in the teacher YouTube community, I'm going to leave links to your videos and other things, just like goodies. All right, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching. Thumbs it up and subscribe. Be blessed. Bye now.